Hello everyone, I'm Shruti Senapati. Hope you all are doing good. So, I have got some products from Nature's Essence and I'm gonna review this glowing gold facial kit.
There are total 5 tubes inside this glowing gold facial kit. It's a wipe-off mask that clears all kinds of tan from the deeper layers of the skin and is the perfect pre-facial prep that enhances the results of any facial multifold. Apply the mask and leave it on for 15 minutes. Now gently wipe off and clean your face. So, after detan therapy wipe off mask, we'll apply exfoliate glowing gold cleansing scrub. A gentle cleansing scrub that gives your skin a fresh sparkle. Now, ready for step 2, condition glowing gold massage cream. Apply the cream over your moist skin. Massage the cream into your face and neck with the gentle upward strokes for 15 minutes. A cream enriched with essential oil to give your skin a soft, smooth, golden radiance. And we are all ready for step 3, hydrate glowing gold gel. Apply the gel over your skin. Massage the gel gently over your face and neck with your fingertips in upward strokes for 2 minutes. A transparent golden gel that keeps your skin super fresh with the soft shine of gold. Now let's move to our last step, polish glowing gold pack. Now apply the pack over your face and neck. A firming pack that leaves your skin with a visible golden glow. Wash the pack off before it has dried completely and dab your face dry. And we are done. Ta-da! Yay! I'm feeling good, like I should. So guys, you can definitely go for Nature's Essence Glowing Gold Facial Kit for a quick facial at home in just 45 minutes. Also, it's super affordable. The Glowing Gold Facial Kit is a 3-use pack at just Rs 260. I really love this facial kit. Thank you so much Nature's Essence for giving me this.